Run a UK service business making between 300K and £5 million? We make you less owner dependent.
Right now, every single quote, approval, and daily headache probably gets completely bottlenecked right on your mobile.
Crucial processes are trapped in your email too, creating massive backlogs the absolute second you go on holiday. And hiring won't fix it. Why? Because the operational know-how lives entirely in your head, totally stalling growth. Because of this bottleneck, well-established firms typically bleed money in 5 very specific hidden places. First, late leads. Second, painfully slow quoting. Third, chasing documents manually, which seriously risks your HMRC compliance. Fourth, late invoices choking cash flow. And fifth, making blind gut decisions because you've got no live numbers. The fix isn't hyped up chatbots. It's just a boring, reliable operating system wired right into your existing work. Here's the deal. The machine handles the dull routine tasks, freeing up your team to actually exercise judgment. Leads route automatically, processes get defined stages, and you get a dashboard tracking live, accurate margins. Look, we aren't some agency. We actually built this to survive brutal HMRC deadlines in our own brokerage.
Our automated CRM captured and routed over 100 leads perfectly, on its own in just 7 weeks.
So this method is genuinely battle-tested in a real business, where one missed document means massive compliance failures. We use a logical 3-step path, kicking off with a fixed-fee AI diagnostic to baseline your exact ROI. Long-term partnerships might include minority equity, but we only ever take a success fee on mathematically measured uplift. You keep absolute control. The data stays yours. We just make the machine underneath it all work better. The next step, a simple 45-minute chat about how your firm is organized and your current daily frustrations. You share your top 3 frustrations, and we'll hand over 3 concrete automation ideas before any invoice. Seriously, think about it. How much is your business actually worth if it simply cannot run without you?